Hello everyone, my name is Tina. In today's video, I show you how to make a quick and easy DIY surprise box for Valentine's Day. You'll need a gift box with lid, chocolates, stationaries such as pencils and some fun erasers, knife, hot glue gun, and a cup. First, open up the box and cut along the four corners of the box. Valentine's Day started as a day filled with love and gratitude for lovers. From there, it has expanded to express love for relatives and friends. Here, I'm making a surprise box for my children. Second, hot glue your chocolates onto the sides of your box. Choose the chocolates that your recipients will enjoy. The chocolates here help to give the sides some weight, okay? So you do need some weight on the sides of the box so that when you lift the lid up, the sides of the box automatically folds down. This gives it the magical surprise, so to speak. This is how it looks like so far. Add more chocolates to the sides of the box and fill your boxes up as much as you can. Here, my daughter is helping me to find the letters to decorate the lid. My daughter is now older and she loves to join me in on my arts and crafts activities, and I enjoy crafting with my children. Next, fill your cup with fun-shaped erasers. This is a great time to remind your loved ones to keep their cup full. We can't pour our loves to others if we don't take care of ourselves. Voila! Here is your quick and easy DIY surprise box for Valentine's Day. How effortless and endearing is this DIY? I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my video on how to make an easy Dollar Tree DIY Christmas present decor using cooling racks. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one.